Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I am going to share with you a beautiful bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this maroon, brown and antique gold full cut crease eye makeup tutorial. This is such a beautiful color combination. It will look good with almost all your outfit, and this can be your wedding makeup, reception makeup or engagement ceremony makeup. I have hooded eyes, so along the way I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect full cut crease on hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with my brows first, and I'm using my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I am just doing my brows here. I already shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link that video down in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade Medium Neutral, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. And the brush that I am using, it is from Pune store, and it will just make sure that my brows look well shaped. And now I am applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next, and I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. To set the concealer in place, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 Light. I'm using these eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon. You can use your regular sticky tape as well. For my eyes, first I'm taking this beautiful like burnt brown orange type of a shade from my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and with this Morphe brush I am applying it as my crease color. I have hooded eyes. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelids, so I am placing the color a little bit higher. This is the key of doing any kind of eye makeup on hooded eyes. Always try to place the color a little bit higher, and I am slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. The quality of this eyeshadow palette is so good. I recently shared with you my top like affordable eyeshadow palette. I will link that video down in the description box below, and I featured this particular eyeshadow palette in that video because the quality is top notch. Now I am taking this kind of orangish brown shade from the palette, and with the same brush I am blending out the edges to have that nice and smooth gradient effect. And you can see I have kind of winged it out, like the crease color is kind of winged it out a bit because it will create that beautiful like elongated full cut crease effect. I am reapplying the first shade here because I felt like I lost some of the intensity during the blending process, and my crease needs to be dark and defined for the cut crease. With the same concealer and with the same brush, I am just cutting my crease, and again I am placing the color a little bit higher just so that my cut crease is visible. And I am creating a false crease, of course, and I am using small strokes. Do not try to use longer strokes, that way you might mess up. And yeah, I'm just cutting my crease, and this step is a little self-explanatory. You can totally see what I'm doing here. And I'm just covering up the eyeshadow that was peeping through. I'm not applying the concealer all over on my eyelid because I felt like it was not needed. I sometimes like tend to clean up the eyelid completely with my micellar water, but for today's look I did not feel that it was necessary. And now I am taking my NYX glitter primer, and I'm just priming my entire eyelid. I'm taking this beautiful antique gold shade from the palette. It is a very nice foiled metallic antique gold shade, and I am applying it all over on my eyelid. The shimmers in this palette, they are so good, you guys. You need to try this eyeshadow palette. And now I am using my e.l.f 24K gold liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I'm applying it, and then I'm patting it with my finger to have an even application. With my eyeliner brush, I'm applying the same liquid glitter on the border of my cut crease just so that it looks even prominent. Again, I'm using smaller strokes because I do not want to mess up. For my eyeliner, today I am using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I am drawing a wing here, and I'm using another Morphe 2500 brush. It is a little bit tricky to apply eyeliner on top of a glitter, so I always suggest you to use a brush tip instead of a felt tip. A brush tip just applies the eyeliner evenly on top of a glitter. For my waterline, I am lightening my eyes using my Milani Stay Put eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark. Taking the first shade, that was my Crease color, I am smoking out my entire lower lash line, and for that I am using this angled brush from Pune store. Taking that rusty brown shade, I am smoking out the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together, and I will apply the same shade right below the eyeliner. And now I am taking this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, and I am highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners, and the brush that I am using, it is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Now I'm just elongating the inner corner eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm giving it a V shape just so that my eyes look like elongated. Whenever you are doing a bridal eye makeup, try to follow this step. This is an absolute necessary step for me. I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I am applying a coat of mascara to prep my lashes for falsies. And the mascara that I am using here, it is from Essence. This is the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara, and for my lashes I will be using these color lashes from Kiss Off Camera. And here is the final eye look. I truly love how the entire look came together. Please let me know what do you guys think in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video and if the video was helpful for you, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and please do subscribe to my channel, and if it is possible then please do share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. If you have any video requests, then feel free to comment down below as well. So yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.